How to enable VODs on Twitch Mobile. To enable VODs or video on demand on Twitch using your phone, open your mobile browser and go to twitch.tv. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right and sign in to your Twitch account. Next, switch your browser to desktop mode. On iPhone, tap the A icon in the search bar and select Request Desktop Website. On Android, tap the three dots in the browser and choose Desktop Site. Refresh the page, then tap your profile picture in the top right. Select Creator Dashboard. If this opens the Twitch app, uninstall the app temporarily and return to your browser. Inside the dashboard, tap the three lines in the top left and go to Settings and go to Stream. Scroll down until you see the VOD settings section. Enable Store Pass Broadcast. Once done, scroll to the bottom, ensure you meet the criteria, and then tap Save Changes. You can now reinstall the Twitch app. Your VODs are now enabled.